Oh, hi. Welcome
Hey, weekend.
That's right. Everybody's working for it. So it's Veganuary day 6.
Sure. Who knows anymore?
Whatever day it is. Happy Veganuary. So today I figured life comes at you fast. So if you don't have anything planned for dinner, you don't want to be stressed out about what to make. So like when you're vegan, it's not a big deal because you don't need the meat. So you can basically cook a dinner from pantry staples and from whatever veggies you got laying around. So it's easy peasy. So I went to my Google and I said, hey, what can I make with broccoli?
Ooh.
So that's a S-ton of broccoli. I don't expect you to use this much. You probably will only use like 2 of these. Or the great thing is, this recipe you could probably interchange green beans, fresh green beans or frozen. I have zucchini that I could have used also. You could also use cauliflower. What else do you think would go in a curry?
All sorts of veggies.
All sorts.
The opportunities are
Endless.
Yeah.
Well, as many veggies as you want. But this one's super simple and it's ready very quickly. I'm also leaning on my Success 10-minute boil in a bag quinoa.
Delicious.
So I've got my rice cooker heating up over there on steam so that it will just do boiling water. And I'm going to pop in let's do 2 bags so that I have some left over.
We do love the quinoa.
We do love the quinoa. I mean, I have regular quinoa too, but I'm cooking. So I don't need to be watching the quinoa, All right, so did I even mention what we're making?
No.
It's chickpea curry. So we've got spinach in the freezer on hand, so that's doable. We got some coconut milk. We have some mild curry, spice paste. We've got chickpeas, of course, turmeric, veggie bouillon, carrots. I had to think what this is, garlic, because it's so big.
Yeah, it is. I'm not used to seeing it like that.
I didn't have a yellow onion, so I'm going to use a red onion, NBD. And I have fresh ginger, but you could totally... This is so sad looking, too.
Maybe not the freshest of ginger.
It's semi-fresh. It's not hello fresh. It's maybe goodbye fresh. Goodbye to the rest of it after I use what I need. And some peanut butter. And the broccoli, of course. So we're going to turn this into a delectable delight. So I've already got my onion chopped up here. So let's start this party off with some avocado oil. And we'll start sauteing the onion. Once we get everything sauteed, it's basically going to simmer for about 10-15 minutes, and then we'll be ready to eat. I'm not going to write out the recipe because it's from, I believe I found something workable here from Bakerita. So I'm going to link
We'll put the link for the recipe.
Yeah, we'll put the link in the info box. So you could just go over there and click since it's her recipe. But thank you, Bakerita.
Yes.
All right, that's heating up. I'm going to get these onions over here. I'm going to start cutting my broccoli up while these are sauteing, and then we'll check back in. All right, we're just finishing up the last broccoli. I never throw out the stem because it's just as good as the rest of it. So
honestly, I love the stems.
I think they're great. So, in case you guys didn't know how to cut up broccoli to make nice florets, you go from the top down and you don't go all the way through so that you won't end up with a lot of broccoli shrapnel. See? Just like that. Like if you got a big one like this and you want to make it in half, just go halfway and then pull it apart. You won't end up with all that broccoli on the cutting board.
Very nice.
And like in the garbage, basically. So we're just going to saute the broccoli for a couple minutes, and then we'll add in some more ingredients. I neglected to tell you that I already put the ginger in here. So the ginger's in here. We're putting in the carrots and the garlic.
Ooh.
Beautiful. We're going to also put in the chickpeas. Maddie has already drained these.
Yes.
We're going to put in the turmeric. I'm not measuring it. Don't get upset. It's about a tablespoon.
Dang.
It's probably supposed to be a teaspoon, but I like a lot of turmeric.
Oh my god.
I don't know. It might be. It might be 2 teaspoons. I don't like to look at recipes, you know. I just want to check and make sure that. All right. I guess we can put the quinoa in here now. So we got our 2 little tea bags of quinoa. We're gonna put them in there. Close her up. We also have our bouillon.
Bouillon.
Yes. And that was made by using a Nora cube and a cup and a half of liquid. So that was the veggie bouillon. We're also going to put in our mild curry spice paste.
Yummy.
If you don't have this, in the recipe they just use 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons of curry powder. So we've got a lot of broccoli here to cover, so I'm putting a bit in here. Yeah, a little extra. I make sure it gets off my spoon, but it didn't. But I'm probably going to use this right now for the coconut milk. Oh, wonderful. I hate when this doesn't come off, so you know what I do? I put it on the hot veggies and it melts a little bit.
Smart.
Uh-huh. I love when you dig in here and you get that gush of water coming out. Like, oh, my amniotic fluid broke.
That's so gross.
Oh!
What's wrong with you?
I don't know. I'm a sick person. What can I say? My coconut can's amniotic fluid broke.
No.
Let's stick that in there. Let's see if... Yeah, it's getting all melty. Wipe it off. It's good enough, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to give this a stir. Not with this spoon, obviously. And let this cook for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to add some more ingredients. Alright, I covered it because some of my broccoli was poking out, and I'm always guilty of never having enough sauce for all of the veggies that I want.
True.
So we're going to add the final ingredients here.
Oh, that's bubbling so nicely.
Yes, it is. We're going to add some salt to taste. So I'm going to put approximately a teaspoon of salt in. I usually don't add much, and I let people salt, you know, at the table. I've got my frozen spinach. They use fresh in the recipe, but it's gonna cook down anyway. So let's see if I can get it all out. Get out! Uh-oh, we're gonna have to burp it.
Oh no.
Oh, there you go.
There we go.
And I know this one sounds weird, but it's okay. Peanut butter. So I'm using beautiful organic Valencia peanut butter. I like this one because it's super liquidy and I don't have to like dig it out. So we're putting about a quarter of, whoa! Exactly.
Maybe a little extra.
A quarter of whoa. So let's give this a stir and then we'll just turn this down on low so that it can simmer until the quinoa is ready, which is probably going to be in about 5 minutes or so.
Sounds good.
Wonderful. All right, we're ready. Oh my God. I had a little piece of broccoli and I just told Maddie, this is going in the rotation.
Is that good?
It's that good.
Oh, I'm excited.
So we're going to have to drain this. I have my little strainer here ready to go. Whoops. You know, it happens.
Yeah. Here we go.
All right. You're going to plate this up. Hopefully Maddie won't burn her face off.
I have a feeling I will.
You might.
I'm so hungry that, like, there's no waiting.
Yeah. Oh.
How easy.
I know. It's so easy, right?
Mm-hmm.
So easy, too. There we go. Stay in. All right.
We'll save the rest of that for,
Yeah.
this is just for the tasting.
Yes. Oh, this is so beautiful, and the broccoli is just so perfectly cooked.
I gotta see a closer look at that.
Why don't you show it over here?
Ooh, because I wanted to see it in the pot.
Oh.
Yummy.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's looking good.
It's so hot, though.
Maybe we should wait just 1 sec.
Yeah, let's just wait a couple minutes here. All right, ready to taste it?
Ooh, look at these 2 little forks.
I know. Those are the ones from Aldi. They're so
Vegan
nice.
as.
Yes. I put more. This was the one we just plated before.
Mm-hmm.
But I put one for Maddie with more sauce because I know she likes a lot of sauce.
I also want this garlic.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Be careful, please, miss. Don't burn yourself.
I will. Burning, burning, burning.
Is it? Oh, no.
But it tastes so good.
It tastes 0% like peanut butter.
Oh my god, it tastes so good.
It's just, I just can't even believe it.
Oh, the broccoli is the perfect texture.
Yes. And it has all of the shrapnel to hold the sauce. I can only imagine how much better this would be the second day even.
That is so good.
That is like a 20-minute meal.
I love the broccoli with the spinach.
Yes.
Because the spinach is so like
squidgy.
Soft and
Yeah.
almost like a little bit sweet.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Right.
Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, you do not taste broccoli in here.
I mean, peanut butter.
Yeah, you taste a lot of broccoli. I meant peanut butter.
It
Don't taste
actually
peanut butter.
didn't cook to that much. Like the sauce was the right amount for that broccoli, I feel like.
Yeah.
Because I don't like too much sauce. Because I'm like, well, what am I going to do with this? Drink it?
I'll drink it. That's really nice. I'm
Yeah.
going to go for one of these broccoli stalks. Yeah.
Yeah. Stalker.
I'm a stalker. That is so lovely.
Yes, thank you.
Mm.
You could do that. 20 minutes.
Yes, and I was worried that it was going to be too spicy.
Right.
Because that was a mild.
Right.
Was it mild or medium?
It was mild.
Oh, I had it in my head that it was medium.
No, it was mild.
Okay, no, it's perfect. I love it.
Would buy again. That's the first time I bought that.
Yes. Oh my god, that
It's
is
just
delicious.
perfection.
Yeah. Put it in a rotation.
Exactly. Oh, Daddy's going to love it.
Whose recipe is this again?
Bakerita.
Bakerita. Thank you.
Yes, wonderful.
Ooh, I'm going to have some of that with... I was planning on having pizza for lunch, leftover pizza.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to have some of this with it. It's so good.
Well, enjoy.
Yeah. Thank you all so much for watching. Let us know if you give this a go.
Go check out Bakerita. She's got some good stuff.
Link is down below.
Yes.
And we'll see you tomorrow. So
That's right.
thanks for watching, and until next time.